Gregorian calendar. The Gregorian calendar is internationally the most popular civil calendar. It was introduced by Pope Gregory XIII in October 1582. It is followed in most of the countries. It is a solar calendar. A common year has 365 days, which are divided into 12 months of different lengths. 11 months comprise either 30 or 31 days, while the second month, February, has 28 days during the common year. Every fourth year is a leap year, when one extra day is added to February to make it 29 days. Thus, a leap year has 366 days. The year 2016 was a leap year. The Saka calendar. The national calendar based on the Saka era with Ch2 as its first month and a normal year of 365 days was adopted from 22nd March 1957 along with the Gregorian calendar for Gazette of India, news broadcast by All India Radio, calendars issued by the Government of India, and government communications addressed to the public. Dates of the national calendar have a permanent correspondence with dates of the Gregorian calendar. Ch2 1 falling on 22nd March normally and on 21st March in a leap year. Normally, Ch2 month consists of 30 days and starts on March 22nd according to Gregorian calendar. But in the leap year, Ch2 consists 31 days and starts on March 21. Years are counted in the Saka calendar from 78 AD/CE of the Gregorian calendar. For example, it is year 2019 as per the Gregorian calendar. To get the Saka year, subtract 78 from it. Hence, the year 2019 is year 1941 as per the Saka calendar. The Saka era, Samvat, began in 78 AD. The Vikram Samvat in 58 BC and the Gupta era in 319 AD. Comparison between Gregorian and Saka months. Saka months. Gregorian months. 1. Ch2, March. 2. April. 2. Vaishakha, April to May. 3. Jyeshtha, May to June. 4. Ashadha, June to July. 5. Shravana, July to August. 6. Bhadra, August to September. 7. Ashwin, September to October. 8. Kartika, October to November. 9. Agrahayana, November to December. 10. Pausha, December to January. 11. Magha, January to February. 12. Phalguna, February to March. Timeline. What is meant by BC and AD? History deals with the complete story of man. How to measure this long period is a problem. But historians have also solved this problem by introducing the concepts of BC and AD. The birth of the Christ is the focal point from which we count the dates. If an event happened 100 years before the birth of Christ, we say that event happened in 100 BC. If, on the other hand, anything happened 100 years after the birth of Christ, we say that it had happened in 100 AD. The letters BC stand for before Christ and AD stand for Anno Domini, which in simple language means the year of the Lord. Thus, while dealing with any date before Christ, we add BC to that year, and likewise, if we deal with any date after Christ, we add AD to that date. If we say Alexander invaded India in 326 BC and the Guptas ruled over India between 320 AD to 540 AD, it simply means that Alexander's invasion took place 326 years before Christ and the Guptas ruled some 320 to 540 years after Christ. If we add circa with any date, it means that such a date is not the exact one, but quite close to that. It is an approximate date. CE and BCE, Common Era or Current Era, abbreviated as CE, is a calendar era that is often used as an alternative naming of the Anno Domini era, in the year of the Lord, abbreviated AD. Thus, BCE is also used in place of BC and CE is also used in place of AD. Discuss. Compare between AD and BC.